fishing channel. I'm fishing right now because that's what it's all about. There's a fish right here. I'm gonna try to see if I can get him. I think it's on bed, but I'm not for sure. I'm right in front of him right now. He got it. Let's go. So that's a way to start a video right there. Hey, chill. This? Oh, crap. He came up. Heck, no way. My guy's just sitting right there. He's gonna flop. Tried it. I got him. Let's go. Whew, he's dirty now, but that's a way to start off a video. Right off the bat. Not a very big one. Little bitty guy. That's his mouth. There he is. Ooh. It is really windy out here today, so I did have to fish this one side of the bank right now so I can see him. But thanks for biting, little guy. I'm gonna have to give him a little toss because it's really muddy down here. Put him right back. Oh, she's right there. Look, she's looking straight down at it. Got it. Oh man. Let's go. There she is. It's literally way smaller than I thought. Still, but it will tops the biggest one of the day. I'm pretty sure that's gonna make me have my biggest one of the day today. But there it is. There it is on there. Biggest one of the day for sure. Still not too big. And there's its mouth. Wow, I got 22% in my GoPro right now. Right, literally, finally committed to eating it, and that's just awesome. Yep, but still not very big. Looked way bigger in the water than it did, but I mean, that's the male, I'm pretty sure. And let's just wait till that female comes up on bed. The sun just came out too, right when I caught her. So let's give her a little toss back. Actually, I want Gracie to see her real quick. Gracie. She does not like fish very much. Oh, I got something. Got him. Oh, that's a little guy. Like when I see little, I mean really little. Oh, that may be the smallest fish I've ever caught. Oh my gosh. But he munched on that. Wow. His mouth is so small, I need to bring the hook out. Dang it. I don't have any pliers with me either. Oh, never mind. That was easy. But look at that little bitty. That thing, here's him compared to my hand. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna walk down over here. And that is gonna wrap up the video for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Peace.